Hello friends, welcome to session 6 demonstration of simple project in MATLAB. This is first example image processing example, that is recognition of vehicle number plate using MATLAB. For that image processing toolbox is necessary. If you don't have image processing toolbox, download it and run the example. The objective of this project is to detect and identify the vehicle number plate, converting that image into the text format. This is image of number plate and we are getting the final output in terms of text. This is the process flow. Step number 1 is to get input image. Step number 2, extraction of number plate location. Step number 3, remove connected object on border. Step number 4, character segmentation. And step number 5, character recognition and display the results. This is actual program flow. Step number 1, read image. Then step number 2 is to process image. Step number 3, match with existing images. And step number 4, show the vehicle number. This is step number 1, that is we are reading the image and getting convert into number format, that is character A. So this is code to read the image I am read. This is actual MATLAB code. A is equal to I am read in bracket. This is the name of file. This will convert the image into the number format and convert it into character A. I am show, this is the second function, I am show. This function used to show the matrix or numbers into the image. So I am show in bracket, this is the matrix A. Third function we required is RGB to gray conversion. It will convert the colored image into black and white image. For that we will write a code RGB to gray in bracket matrix name. We'll see this example in MATLAB. This is image processing example. So step number second, img is equal to image view. So we'll write first, we'll clear the screen, say clear all CLC, then write A is equal to I am read. This is function to read the image. Here there is a current directory, so we'll run this text4.jpg image, 4.jpg, code complete, bracket complete, enter. So it will convert that image into the number format and store it into variable A. These are the numbers, these are actual values of RGB, that is red, green and blue color combination. Okay, CLC. So here in workspace it will store the first image as 253 into 959 into 3 unit 8. It shows that there are 3 colors. Okay, here in workspace 253 into 959 indicates these are the rows, these are the columns. Next one is IMShow function. So we are using IMShow in bracket name of the matrix. So it will show the figure stored as matrix A. Okay, closing that. Next one function RGB to gray. So I will write B is equal to RGB to gray in bracket A. So it will convert that image into number format. We will write CLC IMShow in bracket. So this is the black and white image. Okay, so we'll see three functions. Function one is the IMRead function, second function is IMShow function, and third one is the convert colored image into black and white image. Okay, this is step number 2, that is the processing of image. This is first line, that is figure, so it will open the figure, then IMShow image 7, then giving the title, use code title in bracket in quote detected number plate. We are showing the image inside that figure. Then image 7 is equal to BWLABEL, that is black and white label in bracket image 7. Next command is image properties. Image properties will saving the regional properties or region properties inside that IMG properties. So it will take the image, mark the bounding box around it for that image, and store the properties into the image properties. Okay. So this is the code, BW label. Okay, and this is the second code, region properties. Okay, it will store the properties of image into the IMG properties. Okay, we'll first run the program and then we'll show that image properties having two variables, bounding box and image. Third one, match with existing image. Once we convert that image into grayscale image, then we are cutting that image into small boxes and matching with the existing image, that is A to Z characters and 0 to 9 numbers. Okay. Here code is written if CNT, that is counter, count is equal to 1, or count equal to 2, or count equal to 6, or count equal to 5. If this is right, then it will run the program image is equal to image absolute difference in bracket IMB comma IM test. So we'll check here. Here we stored the properties of that number plate. We are making the bounding box around that number plate and storing that properties into the IMG properties. Once we'll run the program, you'll understand. I'll select that test 3, open. Okay. So this is first figure, this is original image, then this is figure number second. After image processing, we are detecting the numbers. This is the bounding box. This property is stored into workspace IMProp. This is IMG prop. This is image properties. And these are the arrays, different arrays. These are the characters we already store inside that MATLAB. That is 40 into 20. This is logical, that is maybe it is pixel size. 0 indicates the value of that image or the image is 0. So we stored the number from 0 to 9 and characters from A to Z. Okay. So this is image properties. I will double click that. So it will show from values 1 to 17. It is varied image by image. Now it's 48 rows and single column. If I double click on the first row, first column, then it will show two variables. So in first row, first column, there are two variables. One is the bounding box from point 0.5, 0.5, 498, 119, and this is the image, actual pixels. Okay, so we are making the bounding box around that number plate. Then this is already stored images of number 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay, so we are reading that images. Next we are reading A to Z characters. Then here in this loop we are comparison, we have compared the original image with our photograph of car number plate. Okay, so here if minimum difference is below the sum image difference is below the minimum difference we set, then it will show or it will mark character as a B. We have already shown the image of character B. Okay, so it will compare the difference of image between the actual B character and the character recognized by the MATLAB. Okay, if D here, the first letter D matches with our pre-existing letter D, then it will show, it will store the value of D in function. So here is the counter. Here in this part, the output string to character, so it will convert the string to character and store one by one character in next to each other. So this is final program. This is message box. Message string to character vehicle register number is this. Okay, so first it will compare this letter D with our existing letter D. If it is matched with existing letter, then it will enter the character as a D. Then it will compare next letter to our pre-existing letters and so on. Here we know that first two letters and fifth and sixth letter is letter and others are number. So in this program we run the code from 1 to 5 and 6. Here both are the same. You write here 5, you write here 5. It is one and the same. Okay. Now we'll see the second example. Running this example, this is first number vehicle, this is another vehicle photo, this is test 3, this is test 4. Here these both images have some difference. This is DL49 AK49, here KA02 MJ4606. So we'll check this image because it has 4 numbers after character. Select the image, wait, it shows busy. Okay, so this is the actual image, original image, and this is detected number plate KA02 MJ4606, and this is our message, MATLAB message, that is vehicle register number is KA02MJ4606. Okay. So this is final step, that is collecting the car number. This is output where we convert the string to characters and we are showing the output in terms of character or number. So then, and this is the message box. Then we'll print the vehicle number is as output. Then this is the application of image processing toolbox. We are using this image processing toolbox or this application for parking application, for accessing the control or to pass the vehicle from toll, for border security purpose and traffic control purpose. These are the some references where I taken the program and some thoughts. Thank you very much.